with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7.
Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Christine. In case you're new here, for my returnees, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. So guys, it's just a morning, and I want to leave the house, but first of all, I have this soap that I need to package for a client because it has to go all the way to Migori with other things. So I promised the client to be it will be parceled today, so I have to package the package, and then hubby will be taking it to Errands for parceling while I go to Kamkunji to sort out other clients. So you are welcome to this video. Thank you so much for always stopping by. Kindly like, share, leave a comment down below guys, and I hope that you get to enjoy the video.
Until I found you, oh, I'm not gonna let you go. Oh, I'm gonna hold you close. It's hard, cause it took 5 years until I found you. We're just getting started, baby. I can't control myself lately. Oh, but you know that, yeah, you know that, yeah, you know that, yeah, you know it. We're just getting started, baby. Right next to you, move next to me and show me all the things you wanna do. Oh, I can't wait to try them all. Going around the world in our fancy cars, look at all the stars. I can't believe this is true. It took 5 whole years to find you. We're just getting started, baby.
So after packaging everything, I prepared myself and left the house while hubby went to parcel the package at Errands. So this is another day. I actually went to Kamkunji. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to shoot while there because the day was so busy. So the next day, I also had a client that we went with to Kamkunji and Isili, and I came back so late. So I just want to show you a few things that I got for the kids before making some boiling some githeri. I want to boil some githeri, and I also want to make late lunch for the kids. So I want to show you what I got for the kids actually. So let's start from here. So I got these pairs of shoes. I got these. I actually got the same color but different numbers. Though I normally buy for them the same number, but because I was getting the same color, I decided to buy different numbers so it becomes easier for us to differentiate, because the numbers, the sizes are not too much difference. So this is size 28 and this is size 29. So 29 belongs to Nara. She has a little bit longer legs, slim and longer, and Noi has I think a bit shorter. So I got 28 for Noi and 29 for Nara. Yeah, so I also got Nicolette this pair of black flat shoes. Nicolette puts on size 41 or 42. Yeah, so I got this one in size 41 because of the fittings. Looks like it's a big fitting, so I got 41 black shoes for her. So all these things I got from Kamkunji. There's nothing here from Isili, so I got all these from Kamkunji. Even though the shoes, they are sold in wholesale, but I managed to get for them 2 pairs because we were shopping with a client some shoes that she normally sells in Nyeri. Yeah, that's why I got them, these ones, in wholesale. So if you want shoes in wholesale, you can go to Kamkunji. Yeah, so another thing that I got them were these towels, and yeah, these towels. So I got this one for Nicolette. Yeah, these are beach towels, but they are cute. They can even use them indoors, yeah, in the house. So this one is for Nicolette. Yeah, it has flamingos, but has pink and navy blue. Yeah, so this is hers. Then for Nara is also flamingos, but hers is sky blue or turquoise blue. Yeah, this one. Yeah, but it also has flamingos. Yeah, so this belongs to Nara, and this one belongs to Noi. For Noi is cartoon, but I don't know which cartoon is this. Paw Patrol. Yeah, they are saying it's Paw Patrol. So this is Noi's towel, and they are so soft, they are so nice. So towels go for 350 Kenya shillings in Kamkunji. Yeah, kids towel cartoons and this type of beach towels go for 350 Kenya shillings. Yeah, so I also got 3 kitchen towels. Yeah, these are for wiping off the sink and all that. Yeah, so I got myself 3, yeah, for the kitchen. And I also got these fridge containers. I really wanted white or black, white. There's also a client who had sent me white, black or gray, but we didn't manage to get. So the ones that I got for her were only 2 sets remaining, and I decided to let her go with those ones while I will look for mine when they get restocked. So for now, I just got these ones. Yeah, they are a set of 6 pieces. So these are just for leftover foods. Yeah. So I also got them some lunch boxes. So I got this snack box for the twins. They normally don't carry food or snacks for school, but they carry fruit. So I was looking for a tin that can be suitable for fruits and not snacks. So I got this for Nara. Yeah, and I also got a navy blue one for Noi. Yeah, so a navy blue for Noi, and they are quite good. They can also carry snacks, yes, and they can also carry just some little food. Yeah, so they come with a spoon stroke fork. Yeah, so that is what I got for them. I've always been wanting to get them these snack boxes, but yeah, these ones were going for, I think, 450 or 500. Yeah, and I also got Nicolette this one for her. She carries food or snacks to school, so I got her this one, this pink one. Yeah, and hers has 2 compartments. The upper compartment and the lower, I don't know where her spoon has gone to. Yeah, so it has 2 compartments, so she will be using this when they reopen school. Yeah, so those are what I got. And these are things that I got. These tins are courtesy of one of my fans who is called Luisa. Thank you so much, Luisa. She's also a good client of mine, so she sent me money to get Nicolette something, but I decided to get all of them, these things that I bought. Yeah, so thank you for that. I really appreciate. Yeah, so I also got these other kitchen towels, the bigger ones. Yeah, I got 2 of these. I'm trying to stock a lot of kitchen towels because I tend to dispose a lot when they get burnt in the kitchen. I also bought these Ziploc bags. Yeah, I got these. These are a pack of 50 pieces. Yeah, you can also get a pack of 25 pieces, a pack of 10 pieces. It depends with the shop that you go to. Yeah, so there are all types of Ziploc bags there. So you can get any that you want. These are 1 kgs. There are others that are 2 kgs, 2.5, depending on the size you want. So I wanted to pack some chapatis. There are a lot of chapatis that have been made in this house by the lady that normally makes them. I will leave her number in the description box if you are interested. Yeah, so I want to pack chapatis here because the kids are home and they will need some food in this house. Yeah, so that's all I got. So let's head over to the kitchen and start preparing some lunch. And we get our githeri ready for so that we can use it during this holiday. Ati popitro.
Anajua majina zote.
Ati hiyo katuni inaitwa hapa.
Sema pro.
Eti popitro.
Aya, sasa huyu ni nani?
Ndio hiyo wacha
hapo. Hebu sema.
Sema wao ni nani?
Huyu ni nani?
Chase.
Ndio nionyeshe huyu ni nani?
Chase.
Huyu nani?
Chase.
Chase. Na huyu?
No, that's not Chase.
What is?
Nilikwambia jana huyo ni Duma.
Hiyo si Nduma.
Nduma ama Duma?
Duma.
Nduma kuna brown face.
That is Duma.
Nduma kuna brown face like this.
Rabo.
This is Chase and this is Rabo.
Rabo. Chase and Duma ama Nduma. Duma.
Alfu Sky.
Oh, kuna mwingine hapa Sky. So Sky is a girl. And these ones are boys.
Yes. This one is a boy. This one is a girl.
So what do they do? Imandi.
I know that I can't go on without you. It's hard, 'cause it took.
Before cooking, I had sent Nicolette to get me some green maize, which they have prepared herself with the twins have already prepared them. I want to make githeri. And so she also went and bought me some few spices that I wanted. I had washed these jars in my last video. Yeah, and so I wanted to restock some of them. Yeah, so she had to prepare some onions and garlic, the one I want to use to make them just a simple pilau for late lunch. So while she was doing that, I was just refilling the jars and then I start making them lunch.
I'm not going anywhere 'cause I feel best right next to you. Move next to me and show me all the things you wanna do. Oh, I can't wait to try them all. Going around the world in on fancy cars. Look at all the stars. I can't believe this is true. It took 5 full years to find you. We're just getting started, baby. I can't control myself lately. Oh, but you know that, you know that, you know that, you know. We're just getting started, baby.
I need to wash these maize so that I can mix them with the beans. The beans were already soaked, and guys, you can't believe that I soaked these beans for like 2 days. Yeah, so the day that I wanted to make them to make the githeri, I soaked the beans overnight. I soaked the beans during the day, knowing that in the evening I will come and prepare. I came back very exhausted, and so I had to remove them from the water and resoak it so that I can prepare the next day. And when I woke up the next morning, I got a call from some clients, and I had to go sort them out, guys. And when I come back in the evening, I was also tired. I had to remove the maize from the water and put them in the fridge, so to prevent them from spoiling, guys. So they're here. I'm just cleaning them, but I'm happy that they got soaked so well, so they won't take a lot of time to cook. So I will mix them together with the maize and then put them in the pressure cooker.
Every day I want your touch, and every way I can't give it up. Anything just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough. Oh, we be my ride or die. Oh, we can do this every night. Oh, will you be my ride or die?
So let's now make some pilau. We are going to have this pilau with some guacamole. So I'll brown the onions, and then I will put in my garlic and ginger paste, just stir together until they are well browned. Then I will be adding in some little pilau masala whole, with some pieces of cloves, and then I will also use pilau masala powder, for this pilau. I won't be using any blended tomatoes or any tomato paste in this in today's pilau. I just want it that way, that simple. I understand some people don't put what are these called, potatoes, Irish potatoes, in pilau, but for me, I can't cook my pilau without potatoes because my kids love potatoes. Whenever pilau has potatoes, they just, I have to serve them with a lot of these potatoes. They really love potatoes in the pilau. And also, when you have a big family, it's also good to add potatoes because, of course, inaongezeka, inakuwa mingi, so they will feed and get satisfied, guys. So those are the two main reasons I normally cook mine with potatoes.
Every day I want your touch, and every way I can't give it up. Anything just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough.
After having our meal, I checked my githeri and it was done, guys. It was well, perfectly done. So I had to drain the excess water. Yeah, I normally drain the excess water before putting it to cool down. Yeah, and then I will package maybe in the evening or the next day, because right now it's around 4:35. Yeah, so most probably I will package it before bed, yeah, or tomorrow morning.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight.
So these other githeri, mixture of maize and beans was left. It was excess, so it couldn't fit in the pressure cooker. I didn't want to risk, so I have to store it in a container in the freezer, and I will cook it another day. Yeah, so I'm also serving leftover food so that I can keep it for maybe tomorrow lunch or morning breakfast. Anyone who needs to have it with tea can do that. Yeah, and I also have some chapatis that I need to package. Those chapatis were made by my lady yesterday when I was in Kamkunji, and yeah, so we had them for dinner, and I didn't package them. So right now I just want to package everything and store them in the freezer. They will come in so handy this time that the kids are home, and my kids normally love anything made of wheat. They really love. And whenever I'm busy and they don't have something to eat, they can always munch on chapatis and find some leftover stew in the fridge and have it. Yeah.
Love is a game that I don't wanna play. So cry all you want, but I still walk away. So many words, but you don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you love me, cause it's not a thing. It's not a thing.
That's it for today's video, guys. I hope that you got to enjoy this video, and let me just say thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you for always subscribing, and let me see you in my next one. Goodbye. Love you all.